Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today, we are going to start with our first exercise of this chapter, exercise 11.1. Okay. In last class, we have discussed about the basic concept of perimeter and area of squares and rectangle. Yes, last class we have discussed that, and few example problems we have discussed in the previous class. Based upon that example, we are going to deal with the exercise problem, exercise 11.1. You can take page number 208 in your NCERT textbook. Okay. So what is your first question? The length of the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. So what it is given? Length and breadth are given. Length is 500 meter, breadth is 300 meter. Find its area. Can we find its area? Yes, we can easily find. The cost of land, if 1 meter square of a land costs rupees 10,000, then we should find the cost of land. What is given for 1 meter square? 10,000 rupees means for how much big land, how much rupees will come. That is our concept. Okay. So actually what the shape of the land, children? It is in rectangle shape. It is a rectangular piece of land. Length is 500 meter. Breadth is 300 meter. We are supposed to find the area. Area means interior. Correct? Shall we start? First you write the solution, children. Length of a rectangular piece of land. Length of a rectangular piece of land is equal to 500 meter. Then breadth of the rectangular piece of land is equal to 300 meter. Okay, length is given as 500 meter, breadth is given as 300 meter. So now first question, area of the rectangular piece of land, right? That we have to find. Area of the rectangular piece of land. What is the formula? L into B square units. Correct? So what is L here? 500. Breadth is 300. 5 3s are 15. 0 0 0 0 square meter. Okay, so this is what the area of this rectangular piece of land. Next, cost of land. If 1 meter square of land cost rupees 10,000, we should find this area of the cost of this land 1,50,000 square meter land. We should find it. Okay, cost of 1 meter, second subdivision, right? This is cost of 1 meter square land is rupees 10,000. Correct? So what is the cost of 1,50,000 square meter? 1,50,000 meter square land is, I am just multiplying rupees 150,000 into 10,000. So answer is 1,500. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is what your cost of that land. Understood? So just we have find the area, then we have found the cost of that 1 meter square. So for 1,50,000 meter square, what is the answer? That we have found. This is what your cost of that particular land. Okay. Next is your second problem. What is the question? Find the area of the square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. See, the park is in what shape, children? It is in square shape where its perimeter is given, which means the length of the boundary is given as 320 meter. Okay, so given is perimeter of a square park. Okay, the perimeter of a square park is 320 meter. So how you will find the side of the square? Because if you know side only, you can find the area of the square park. Correct? So what is actually perimeter formula? Perimeter is equal to 4 into sides. Correct? Perimeter of a square. That is a formula. Correct? Perimeter of a square is 4 into sides units. So here we don't know side. Okay, you know perimeter, which is 320 is equal to 4 into sides. You want only side, correct? So I am bringing this 4 towards next side. So 320 divided by 4 is equal to sides. 4 ones are 4, 8 fours are 32, 0. So side is how much? 80 meter. Side is how much, children? 80 meter. Now, can we find the area of the square park? Because we know side, right? So area of the square park is, what is the formula? Side into side. Square units. Side answer is what? 80 into 80. 8 8s are 64. 0 0. Square meter is the area of the square park. Understood? Next is your third problem. What is the question? Find the breadth of the rectangular plot of land. We should find the breadth. What it is given? Its area is 440 meter square and length is 22 meter. Okay, length is given, area is given. We should find the breadth. Then find the perimeter. Okay, so first we should find the breadth. So what it is given, children? Area of a rectangular plot of land. Rectangular plot of land. Okay, area of the rectangular plot of land is equal to 440 meter square. Then length of a, then what it is given? Length of a rectangular plot of land. Correct? Rectangular plot of land is equal to how much? 22 meter. So area of a rectangular plot of land is 440 meter square and length of the rectangular plot of land is equal to 22 meter. What we have to find? We should find the breadth. So you know what is area is equal to length into breadth. Correct? Length into breadth, square units. So what the area value? 440, length value 22 into breadth. You don't know breadth. So I am bringing this to 22 towards next side. 440 divided by 22 is equal to breadth. Correct? So in 21 table 1 times 2 times 0. So breadth is equal to 20 meter. Breadth is how much, children? 20 meter. I have found the breadth now. Next, find the perimeter breadth, then also find its perimeter. So finding the perimeter, what are the values you want? L, B. L is given, B is given. That's all. So perimeter of the rectangular plot of land. Rectangular plot of land is equal to 2 into L plus B units. This is your formula, right? So 2 into L is how much? 22. B is how much? 20. So 2 into 20 plus 22, 42, right? 22 plus 22, 42. 42 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 84 meter is the perimeter of the rectangular plot of land. So using this area and length, I have found the breadth. Using this length and breadth, I have found the perimeter. Understood? Next, your fourth and your fifth problem is your homework. Okay, fourth problem, fifth problem is the homework. Okay. Next is your sixth problem. What is the question? A wire is in the shape of rectangle. One wire is there, children. I'm making that shape in the shape of rectangle. Okay. The length is 40 centimeter. Breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of square, the same wire I am using in the shape of square, what will be the side? What will be the measure of each side? So what is the side they are asking. Also find which shape encloses more area. So we are supposed to find whether the rectangle has more area or square has more area using the same wire. Okay. So first you should find you have a length and breadth, right? So if you find the perimeter of this rectangle only, you will get the length of the wire, correct? So first length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle is how much? 40 centimeter. Then breadth of the rectangle. Breadth of the rectangle is how much? 22 centimeter, correct? Length, breadth. This rectangle is actually formed using the wire. Okay, so length of the rectangle, breadth of the rectangle is given. So here length of the wire is equal to perimeter of the rectangle, correct? Is it correct? Length of this wire only, perimeter of the rectangle, because using this wire only I have bended to form a rectangle. So this length of the wire has become the perimeter of the rectangle. What is perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B units. What is L? 40. What is breadth? 22. So 2 into 62. 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. 124 centimeter. So what is the length of the wire, children? Length of wire is equal to 124 centimeter. So this length of the wire is again rebent to square. So what is this perimeter of the square? Perimeter of square is equal to what? Length of the wire, correct? Length of wire, which is equal to 124 centimeter. See, this perimeter of the square is also the length of the wire. So it is 124 centimeter. So if the perimeter of the square is got, can we find the side of the square? Yes. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into sides. Correct? Perimeter is how much? 124. Is equal to 4 into side. I want sides because the question they ask us about side. 124 divided by 4 is equal to side. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. Our side is equal to how much? 31 centimeter. So what is the side of the square is how much? 31 centimeter. See what will be the measure of each side. The side is 31 centimeter. Now we have found, right? Next, also find which shape encloses more area. So we should find the area of rectangle, area of square. Can we find it? It is easy only, no, right? Area of the square, how we first area of the rectangle you will find. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B square units. What is L here? What is the length of the rectangle? 40. What is breadth? 22. 40 into 22. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 880 square centimeter. Square centimeter is the area of the rectangle. Next, area of square. What is the formula? Side into side. What is side? 31 into 31. Correct? Side is how much? 31 centimeter. 31 centimeter. So 31 into 31. 1, 3, 3, 3 3s are 9, 1, 6, 9. So 961 square centimeter is the area of the square. So you got different area for different figures. So which encloses more area? Square. Therefore, square encloses more area. Understood? It is very easy. See children, length and breadth of that rectangle is given. Using that, I have find length of the wire, which is nothing but perimeter of the rectangle. Here perimeter of rectangle and square are equal. So perimeter of the square is also the same. Using that, I have find the side. Then using length and breadth side, I have find area of the square and rectangle. In that square has more area. Understood? This is your 7th problem. What is the question, children? Perimeter of the rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the length breadth is 30 centimeter, find the length. Perimeter is given, breadth is given, we should find the length. Also find the area. Okay. So it's easy. First, what is given, children? Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 130 centimeter. Okay. Next, what it is given? Breadth, right? Breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter. So length you should find it, right? What is the perimeter formula? Perimeter of a rectangle formula is what? 2 into L plus B units, right? 2 into L plus B units. You know perimeter value as 130 is equal to 2 into L, you don't know, so I am putting it as L. Breadth is 30. Okay, perimeter is given as 130. 2 into L value is length plus 30. Breadth is 30. So now I have to find this L alone. So this 2 is actually multiplied. So first it should go that side. So 130 divided by 2 is equal to L plus 30. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now what's the answer? 65 is equal to L plus 30. Okay. Next, I want only L, right? So this plus 30 should go that side. Because the thing which I want alone, I should keep it. Others, I should bring other side. So 65 minus 30 is equal to L. So 65 minus 30 is how much? 35. Right. 65 minus 30 is 35. So 35 is equal to L. So therefore, length is equal to 35 centimeter. I have found that length value is 35 centimeter. So now we have found the length. Then also find the area of rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle formula? L into B. Correct? So what is length? 35. Breadth is 30. So 35 into 3, 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 10. So 1050 square centimeter is the area of rectangle. Okay. So perimeter and breadth is given. Using that I have found the length. Then using length and breadth the area of the rectangle is found out. Understood? Next is your 8th problem. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. Okay. One small door is fitted inside a wall, in the wall. Okay. The length of the wall is 4.5, breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. Okay. See, this is one rectangle shaped wall. Okay. This is one rectangle shaped wall. What is the length and breadth of the wall? The length of the wall is 4.5 meter. Breadth is 3.6 meter. Then door is fixed in that wall. That is also in rectangle shape. One door is fixed inside this wall. So what is the length of that wall? 2 meters. So this is longer side. I am putting it as length. Breadth is 1 meter. Okay, so now we are supposed to whitewash this wall. So where and all you will whitewash it? This region you will whitewash it, correct? The shaded region alone you will whitewash it, right? You will not whitewash the door. So you will whitewash only this region. So we are going to find the cost of whitewashing. First you should find the area which is you are going to whitewash it. Then you should find the cost of it. So the same type of example problem we have discussed, right? So first we are going to find the area of this total wall. Okay, so first length of the wall is equal to how much? 4.5 meter. Breadth of a wall is equal to 3.6 meter. So area of the total wall, correct? Area of the total, this full total wall, what is the area? L into B units. L into B units is equal to 4.5 into 3.6. So I am just multiplying 45 into 36. 6 5s are 30. 6 4s are 24. 27. 5 3s are 15. 4 3s are 12. 13. 0. 12. 1. 6 1. So 16.20 square centimeter is the total area of this wall. 16.20 square meter is the total area of this wall. Now we should find the area of this door. Then if you subtract this total value than this door, you will get this shaded region, correct? So I am just going to find the area of the door. So what and all we need? Length of the door we want. Length of the door is equal to how much meter? 2 meter. Breadth of the door is equal to 1 meter. Okay, length of the door is 2 meter. Breadth of the door is 1 meter. See? Okay, so what is area of the door? Area of the door is equal to L into B square units. Formula is important. 2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2. Square meter is the area of the door. Now area to be painted. How you will calculate it? Area to be painted is equal to total area of the wall. Total area of the wall minus area of the door, correct? Area of the door. So total area of the wall minus area of the door, if you subtract it, you will get the area to be painted. This shaded region I am speaking about. Okay, what is the total area of the wall? 16.20 minus area of the door 2. So what is the answer? 14.20, correct? 14.20 square meter is the area to be painted. So what is the cost of that door? So what is the cost of that painting, children? Cost of this painting? For 1 meter 20 rupees, correct? So cost of whitewashing or rate of whitewashing for 1 meter square of length. Okay, so cost of whitewashing 1 meter square land. Sorry children, it is not land, it is wall. Okay, cost of whitewashing 1 meter square wall is equal to how much rupees? Rupees 20, correct? So 1 meter square land, it is 20 rupees, it is cost. So now cost of whitewashing 14.20 square meter, which means 14.20 meter square wall is how much? Rupees 20 into 14.20. So 1420. I'm calculating here. 1420 into 20. 0 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 00482. How many decimal point? 2 decimal point. So how many rupees it is getting? 284 rupees. Okay, so for painting this 14.20 meter square land, meter square wall, it costs rupees 284 rupees. Okay, I have given fourth and your fifth problem as your homework, children. So today's video we have discussed exercise 11.1. I hope you all understood. Thank you.